Hi, Jake. Do you like talking to new people?
Sometimes. But I don't always know what to say. What about you?
I used to feel nervous, but now I know some great ways to start small talk.
Small talk? What's that?
Small talk is light, friendly conversation about simple topics. It helps us build relationships and feel more comfortable with others.
So, small talk isn't about deep conversations?
Exactly. We talk about things like the weather, hobbies, or daily activities. It's a way to keep conversations friendly and relaxed.
What are the best topics for small talk?
Great question. Here are some common topics. The weather, it's such a sunny day today. Hobbies, what do you like to do in your free time? Work or studies, what do you do for a living? Current events, did you hear about the new coffee shop that opened? Travel, have you been anywhere interesting lately?
Oh, so I don't need to talk about personal things like family or money.
That's right. Some topics like politics or personal finances can make people uncomfortable.
How do I start small talk?
You can begin with a simple greeting and a friendly question. Here are some examples. Hi. How's your day going? Nice weather today, isn't it? Hey. I love your shoes. Where did you get them?
So, I can use a compliment to start a conversation?
Absolutely. Compliments are a great way to break the ice.
What if the conversation stops? I don't want it to be awkward.
That's a good point. To keep a conversation going, you can ask follow-up questions. Oh, you like cooking? What's your favorite dish to make? Give your own opinion. I love traveling too. My favorite place is Japan. Use active listening. Wow, that's really interesting.
So, I should show interest in what the other person is saying.
Exactly. When you show interest, people feel comfortable talking to you.
How do I end a conversation nicely?
You can say something positive and polite. Here are some examples. It was great talking to you. I hope we chat again soon. Nice meeting you. Have a great day. I have to go now, but it was wonderful talking with you.
That sounds easy. Ending a conversation politely leaves a good impression.
Exactly. People will remember you as friendly and respectful. Wow. We learned so much about small talk today.
Yes. Now I feel more confident about talking to new people.
Great. And for our viewers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak English Basics.
See you next time.